Bine ați revenit la Spy Shop. Astăzi suntem aici la Motorline, în Barcelos, Portugalia, și o să fac o tură a fabricii, și o să vedeți toate secțiunile, fiecare automatizare în parte, și o să ne ajute managerul tehnic, Armindo.
Hello, let's see now the automatic glass door production. Okay, here we have a sample. This is the small one. It's a box with 100 by 200. One leaf, open the left, a good option for when you have less space to install it. Here we have radars with photocells incorporated. If I stay here, the door don't close. The radar is seeing that I'm here and will keep opened until I move out of this area. Let's see how to assemble. This is an important thing. So many brands don't have it, but the place when the wells run have a rubber, more quiet, more silent. In the same time, after some years, if you have this rail damaged, you can change it by a new one. Some doors, it's inside, you don't need lock. Another doors, it's to outside, and it's important to install the electric lock. Of course, it's extra, and when the client write on other form with lock, without lock, with remote controls, without remote controls, with radars or with photocells, everything it's extras, and the client needs to write what he wants. Switch to power.
The control board.
Yes. One of the most important things when we are installing a door, it's keep the cables conditioned to don't, after when it's moving to the wells, don't touch on cables. Calculate the middle to the stop mechanical stops. Electric lock.
So here is the order,
Yes.
the form you were
Yes.
talking about. It's like in the restaurant for automation.
Yes. The electric lock, we normally install it, but it's not on exactly right position. It's necessary to adjust the electric lock for one side or another side.
So if you pull the wire, you can manually close the...
Yes. Now we install the battery support. Batteries for emergency open in case of the power failure or in case of fire alarm and the power goes off. It's mandatory this kind of doors open in emergency case. 3 batteries because all this door works with 36 volts. Bell tension. In this case, imagine that the client have too many doors on stock with this measure, it's 4,200, and the after needs a door more smaller. They only need move every this to inside the space that will be and cut the profile, and after adjust the belt for the space.
You can also cut the belt.
Yes, one part and another part. Put on the measure and cut it, and it's blocked inside. To don't have any accident on transport, the batteries goes without the bridge. This bridge will make the contact and give power to the control board.
What's the second wire used for?
Is to give 36 volts to another board that we will install here. Because this is a control board, but we have another small PCB with all connections. This is the PCB. Now we connect every wires between this PCB and control board, and after every products are connected on this PCB. Radars, photocells, everything. This is the mechanical stops. After install the lifts, we need to adjust the mechanical stop, the point that the door will force a little bit and stop with this force.
You will now see the adjustment in action.
Yes. Okay, in this moment we are testing now if works. The first movement, it's opening to find the limits, the mechanical limit switch. Now it's closing, very slow. Now it's ready. The selector is on automatic position. If we give an order on one radar, the door will open it. Yes. We have the hands because to don't damage the painting. And now it's okay. I can change to lock. In this case, the lock close, and I can pass and don't open. Here on the control board, we have some options, some switch with some options of some functions, like emergency batteries, if open or not, if it's one leaf, if it's to left or to right. If the door is too much weight, we need another kind of force. We have another option is when the door is closed, if we want that the motor stay forcing or if stay free. On these potentiometers we have open speed, closing speed, the time that stay opened for automatic closing, and the adjustment for the force, obstacle detection. The force adjustment, it's important, all doors need to be adjusted. We don't know exactly what kind of glass or what kind of aluminum frame will be installed, and it's important after installation, check the door, check with the body, we feel if the motor is forcing too much or not. It's important that the door after closing and touching some child or some person should reverse immediately and don't do more than 20 kilos force. It's important for safety. Every component now go inside, like radars, selector, every parts, the guides for the glass or guides for the aluminum frame, everything goes inside. In this case, we only don't send the glass. You only need buy screws to fix the door to the wall, nothing more. Ready, completely ready to package and send it.